Here is the parts that I need to be machined, and this pieces is about a finger, the length of a finger, about this length. So is, and I need to build the small radius here, and also several radius here, are very deep. So this part cannot be machined in vertical position. I will put it in a 5th axis and put it in a angle. And here I drill this the tools and tool holder. You can see here I drew the tools and tool holder on the parts. And the interference was firstly checked before making this tool holder. Now the tool holder was made, and this green bit pass through this hole, and instant glue will be used to secure it on the tool holder. And the one now is very small. Now I use the mixed glue to fix the milling bit onto the holder. The whole inside must be cleaned with the alcohol firstly. Now put it into the hole. Make sure it go to the, it will spring it out, so it's a little bit tricky. Is something wrong? I need to hold it tight for short periods of time. Okay. Now this tooling was made. Actually, I should drill the inside hole through this rod. So if I need to change this tooling, I will put a pin, insert a pin here and hammer it and take it out. Now I need to drill the hole again, but it's not convenient now. And also I need to make a tube to cover, to protect this tooling because it's landed pieces. Here is a second pieces. This diameter is a little bit larger, 1.2 or 1.1 something. And here I make the screw hole in here. Actually the 1/8 hole is a through hole all through here. So if this bit need to be replaced, I put a 1/8 pin inside and use this screw to turn this screw and push this old tooling bits out and replace a new one.